Hello students, in this video we will talk about polygenic inheritance. What's the meaning of polygenic inheritance here? Polygenic means, poly means many. Genic means genes. So we can say more than one gene. Responsible to express a single character. For this, we just take an example of human skin color. Example, human skin color. Human skin color is controlled by three genes, that is gene A, B and C. We are just note down here, if three genes are dominant, therefore maximum melanin is responsible for human skin color or human tone, means the person is dark black. If all of these genes are in recessive characters or small characters, there is no melanin. So a person is albino. Sometimes we know them as generally Surajmukhi. There is no skin tone here. One intermediate, when one allele is dominant and one is recessive, then moderate melanin, and the person is intermediate, or we can say the skin tone is wheatish, is to be a color of wheat. But some of them in between these here, and some of them in between is these. So we just find out that when a person with all capitals, the skin tone is black. A person with intermediate, then the skin tone is intermediate. Here, if all genes are recessive, then the person is albino. Now calculate the person or tone color in between these. If there is a possibility that two genes are dominant and one is recessive, any two are dominant and one pair is recessive here, that is very very dark. dark black. And if here twos are in recessive, then this condition is dark. Here, if these are in recessive case, fair color, and here we note it down just to be that there is a very fair color, and the last one is albino here. So what we have to discuss in this topic, we discussed here polygenic inheritance. Polygenic inheritance means more than one gene expressed for a single character here. Human skin color, that is, it is controlled by 3 genes. All of these are capital, that's a maximum melanin secretion here, and the color is dark black. 3 dominant and 3 recessive, 3 capital, 3 small characters, moderate melanin, intermediate or whitish color. All are recessive character or small characters, no melanin here, and all are albino. We just calculate the color or skin tone in between them. That is, if all are capital, dark black, one recessive or a smaller case, very dark, 2 smaller case, dark, and 3 capital and 3 smaller, intermediate. Here 2 capital and all smalls, fair, 1 capital and all smalls, very fair, and all are recessive, then it is called albino here. Here this statement was given by Davenport. Davenport firstly proposed that a polygenic inheritance in a human skin color here.